Nani. Look down.
Here's mine.
No, do not turn the light off. Say hello. Say hello. Okay, you don't want to say hello. We are in Bristol, Virginia. We're looking at the Christmas lights. CJ's here. Turn the light on. Say hi, babe.
What's up?
Taylor went to the back because she just got in trouble. Mom is back there. Mother-in-law.
Let you see. You wanna go back there?
Dinky right there. You not coming back. You going back there. You not coming back up. You can get your seat. Okay, go. Don't come back. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back. So CJ and I are going to get a hotel room tonight, and the kids are staying with their grandparents. Right back.
What? Stop, boy.
Didn't I tell you? Jesus.
Y'all
I'll show you guys some of the lights as we get.
Yeah, they be.
Are we here? Like, is this
work.
it? Yes. They be stressing me out.
They be working her up. Working her nerves all crazy, man.
They do. They don't be listening. Like, I don't understand. I keep repeating myself.
See Daddy back there. See him?
And CJ just acts so nonchalant.
I be chilling.
He don't.
So just like they can get crazy, I can get crazy with them too.
He don't care. Like, he don't care. Like,
look, Cam, look at the dinosaur.
Man.
That dinosaur won't get you. Arr! Huh?
Oh. So I'm literally using their red light. Give me out a red light special. That was corny.
Get your neck back.
That was funny. Babe, why are you always leaning over there? Like, you don't want to be seen.
You don't see I'm driving, my hand is
Get it, come back over here. You leaning out the camera like.
She buzzing, man. Like, for real. She
No, I don't.
She just want to be all up under me.
Whatever.
Which is cool though. I love it. Like, you know, I don't mind it.
Do you? What's fine? It's not working.
Well, you don't know what you're doing. Oh my God. Keep chilling.
Grow up, CJ.
What?
Grow up. Yeah, I'm tired though. Or this hat is too
And she
tight
really
one.
feeling herself too with the outfit, guys. Y'all should see it.
No, you're feeling me.
Y'all should see it.
No, you're feeling me.
She thinks she stepped out on something light.
He think I'm breaking necks.
Whatever.
Mommy.
I love you, Taylor Jade. Love you, Woogie.
Y'all got a lot of space back there, huh?
All right, y'all. We'll show you guys some of the lights.
Peace.
Yeah.
You ready, Nani?
We're going in the pool.
Nani.
We are going through the portal.
We're inside the portal. What are we gonna do? Oh my God! I can't hold myself. I can't do it. I got you. Oh my goodness! I was thinking about this plan.
Nani, look.
Oh my gosh, Nani, the portal is about to end. We have to get out before the colors come back. We have to get out before the colors come back. Go. Go. Oh my goodness, that was so close. Oh my goodness.
That was close.
That was We're decorating the Christmas tree. Say hi, Taylor.
Hi.
Hi, babe.
You
You want to do this one? Come here.
Look at this joker. You want me to hold that? The
Come
star?
here, baby. Come on, huh?
So y'all gonna leave this part for me?
Yep.
Leave the last thing to do, which is put up the star because of my height.
Huh.
Look at this little joker trying to help. Just in everything. Say hey, Cam.
Cam, say hi on the camera.
Cam. You gonna say hey?
Honey.
I love that.
Normally he is out, but right now it's a lot going on, so we can't keep an eye on him.
Daddy.
Oh, he got his stop, man. Stop, Cam. He got his name tag in his mouth. Come here, man. Come here, buddy. Come.
What's wrong?
Yeah,
What's wrong, man?
he got his name tag in his mouth. Get him.
How did that happen?
He stayed doing that.
What in the... Babe.
You gotta undo it.
World? How?
You gotta take it out.
Oh my gosh.
Let me get him, man. You see?
I'm about to take it off.
You
Babe.
gotta take his collar off, man. That ain't the first time.
can't.
That's not the first time. He alright.
Okay, he don't need to have this on then. You need to do it. Hurry up. I'm scared.
Dude, ain't nothing to be scared of.
The thing is in his mouth. The part that you unclip. You got it?
Dude.
I can't believe we caught that on camera, but we got it out. CJ went in his mouth and clipped it, and he's tightening up the collar now. Where is it, babe? Where's the wood piece?
Put it back on.
You did?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's about to turn into a Christmas ornament. Ooh, that's cute. Now, let me go in the front.
No,
Is he
Mom,
choking?
I got it first. Mom, I got it first, okay? So.
He probably loosened it. Look at him.
Hey.
Oh, you're so cute.
Stop!
Taylor, that's too low. Too low. You can put it right here. Right here. Right here, Mama. Uh-oh.
Where? See the bell
Come here. I'll pick you up.
Here?
Up.
You can't. Right here?
Yep. Oh, no.
Oh,
Get that. And set it right in there.
Come here.
Push, push, push.
Back outside and go potty.
Oh, no. This is yours, Nani, from last year. You made it at school.
Crew.
Smell it.
Crew.
Dad,
Come. Go
what?
potty. Come. Come. Go potty.
No, you can't eat it.
Come. Crew. Come.
Have?
Come. Go potty. Come.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah, watch out.
That goes in the front too, Nani.
Mom, I got it.
Where is your name?
Come through.
Oh.
I got it, okay? This is.
Camden's name.
Crew.
And
Now. Come.
put
Crew.
Taylor's name. Camden's not, Taylor, I said Camden. Crew's not listening to Daddy right now.
Got time. That's what you're not going to do. Disrespect him.
I'm done with.
I didn't say it's a toy for you. Stop!
All these lights ain't doing it justice. Yeah.
Hi guys. Right now we're back home, and we got our Christmas stuff up. If you want to see, then you can see like that. Look. I know you cannot see the Christmas tree. We got the TV on, look. Then let me show you what really one we got. So we just got like a little, you know, like, you know a play set? You know a play set? So we got this. Let me show you. It's gonna be a little crazy. So I got this, and then we were gonna color it, and I got this color, which I did this. That finished that. I didn't really do that. That finished that. Can't scribble all around this one.
Yeah, you gotta back up a little bit like this. All right.
And
Let me hold it while you explain what's going on.
Explain.
Okay, don't drop it.
How about? So guys, here's inside. See, we're inside of it, and guess what we got? We got a back door on this. Well, cut it so it can open and shut. Then in case if I want to come back there, and then we got some Christmas stuff. Yeah, we just got some Christmas stuff inside my house, but we didn't get the tree out with all the stuff. We got this. I just put that there. I'm sorry, got all this stuff on it. So guys. Yeah. I'm telling you somewhere else my stuff. Well, hey, honey guys, so I'm back in my house. I'm gonna close my door so Cameron knows what I mean. I got a Christmas necklace, and it's so beautiful, guys. It's like look, all the different colors in it. My favorite color is pink.
Mom.
Wait, actually, well, I'm sorry, like pink. Made the camera mess up. Sorry. So is it? Are y'all recording? Are y'all looking at everything? Yeah, I think y'all. So I just got a dog. His name is Crow. He's so cute, and he's actually small. So I also get out of here so I can explain all the questions we talked about. Okay. So I am going over here. God, my hip was hurting. But look at the Christmas tree. It's so cute. And then we got a little calendar. We got a little calendar.
And I made this last year.
And then this one when Christmas is gonna be all the way right here, July. Well, this year, Gma. Okay, bye. Make sure I watch.